Again here in front, standing in front of you, as on screen is given from Envisinar Design Atelier, Bhuleshwar Mate, graphic designer. I deal in the logo, brand, social media, and print media. My contact is down the slide. To introduce myself, I am born in Nagpur. My hobbies are tourism, swimming, cycling, and socializing. I have a small, sweet family. My better half, no, is my equal half is Dr. Meenakshi Mate. She is a science teacher. She is a doctorate science teacher, and working as a teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I have two sweet daughters. Elder one right here, Shravasti Mate. She is now in Japan, and she has come here. She is a PR ambassador of Kobe, Japan. That's a very great thing actually, being in Japan, having an ambassador. Then my younger daughter is Kaushambi. She is architect and she is working in Germany. Next is my best pastime is my grandson Nived.
वहाँ से आ नहीं गए.
Yes, I started my career way back in 1974, and since then I've been working as a lecturer. I started my career as a lecturer in JS School of Art, Mumbai, a very well-known institution. Then I moved to South as in Kerala University as a professor of fine arts. From there, then I moved to Delhi as I was working for projects, design projects. So I moved to Delhi and I worked for Bharat Hotel as a design manager. Then I switched over to Hyatt Regency in '82 because the Asia was started, and that time 3-4 international hotels had come up in Delhi. So I was fortunate to join actually one of them. This was Hyatt Regency. Then after a gap of about 10 years, I moved to another assignment, that is an Assam University. I joined there as a professor and head of department. And finally, I retired from the university as a vice chancellor. So that was my small journey till here. So after retirement, because I had a passion in graphic design, so I started my design studio, the Envisinar Design Atelier. Atelier is a German word that means the agency or office. I've been working for in this field for about 40 plus years as a graphic design, logo design, brand design, packaging design, print and social media design. I have a small social and networking scope. That's very just to name few. That is like VIA Nagpur, Lions Club, VMA, JS School of Art and the alumni, and then Rotary Club in Assam, and then Visual Art and Performing Arts in Sri Lanka, then the Society of Designers in Mumbai, and Photographer Society in Delhi, and Amira Trust Britain, to name here a few. And my one and only goal, people have many goals, but I have only one goal, is to educate people about the values of graphic designing to grow their business through Envisinar Design Atelier, you will find some of the accomplishment in my graphic design journey. And recently, after joining the Sampark, I had an opportunity to design the brand designs for this. The premier, I would say, the premier world, like, the group is here to give up the one. And we started with the Sampark logo, and eventually then design, and the latest is the Royal Electricals, and that is also a very great achievement for me, that I could get that opportunity. Then some of the outside the Sampark, I have been working for different many agency corporates. So this is Seva Automobiles, which I have started is new service station in Manewara. So I did some outdoor designs for them. The works are many, because I've been working for almost 45 plus years. So there is a tremendous of work which I did. I cannot display it here, but just to name few, I could bring it here to just to show you. Now my three best customers. The one is SMEs who either do not have a logo, or they have a logo but it does not reflect their current vision. The another best customer is the startups who haven't structured their business and do not have a brand strategy. And the third one is the SMEs who are still stuck with their old and outdated brand designs, and hence need a complete brand solution. Some of my examples for preferred references are given out here. I hope some of you would identify your area from the listed one. Can anybody raise a hand?
We all need it.
You all need it, right? So everybody should raise their hand. Yeah. So thank you. And now my complementing business partners. Again, I'm giving the list of this. I hope again that that many of us have been. You can identify yourself out of this list. Then my customer types I would like to have. I would like to request Shravasti to read it.
So some of the customer types he would like to have are, he caters for both B2B and B2C businesses. So they will be like direct individual clients, corporates, institutions, NGOs, retail businesses like Dr. CAs, and also some educational institutions, some SMEs, especially startups, and some manufacturing units and service industries also that could include travel agencies, banks, hotels, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravasti. Now my memory hook. A business with a no sign is a sign of no business. So thank you very much. And your one-stop solution for design is the Envisinar Design Atelier. You can follow me on Instagram. You can hit my website www.bhuleshwar.com. You can find the rest of my work out there, and you can contact me if you feel like. So once again, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be present with you, and have a great day.